creamy mushroom and chicken. This one tastes so delicious, perfect with rice or pasta. So if you want to see how I achieve this one, just continue watching. And to my returning supporters, I appreciate you guys a lot. For those coming for the first time, welcome. Please tap the subscribe button, hitting the notification bell. In that way, you never miss another upload. So let's make this one, guys. So first step is to prep my chicken, and here I'm using some boneless chicken leg and thigh, and I'm going to wash this with vinegar and season and put to marinate for 30 minutes. And the season I'll be using, I'll link them in the description box below. So continue watching, guys. Chicken. Now it's time to prep our mushroom, onion and garlic. We're going to wash these well and slice according to your likings. Okay, now it's time to prep our chicken. Here I have some oil heating up. I'm going to sear my chicken and both sides. Then we remove from the pan. Now it's time to prep our onion, garlic and mushroom. First we're starting off with the onion, then we're going to add our mushroom, and lastly our garlic, because garlic burns very easily. And we're just going to saute this for a couple minutes, and we're just going to add some salt and garlic powder. And after saute, remove this from the pan so we can prepare our roux. And for the roux, we're going to heat up some butter and add flour. And we're going to toast this off until we get a nice caramelized color. Then we're going to add our cream. So just continue watching. So now that we have added back our mushroom mix, we're just going to add some water or broth to this, because we're going to put back our chicken and we're going to season as we go. So after adding the chicken, we're just going to flip them, and if we need a little bit more water we do so, and allow this to cook for 5 minutes. And here is what the end result looked like, and this was very tasty, quick and easy, as you see too guys. Yes, so please like the video, share, drop me a comment below, and do subscribe if you haven't as yet. So until next time, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now.